And welcome to Economics Wala family. Today we discuss about semester 5 nature of Indian economy. This video is for sem 5 students, Indian economics core paper 11th. Okay. Uh, Today we discuss nature of Indian economy. Following are the nature of Indian economy. Indian economy is an underdeveloped economy. Indian economy is a mixed economy. Indian economy is a planned developing economy. Dualistic natures of Indian economy. Sectoral distribution of Indian economy. These are the natures of Indian economy. Okay. These are the nature. So we are discuss about one by one. Okay. First, we discuss Indian economy is an underdeveloped economy. Indian economy is an underdeveloped economy. What is underdeveloped economy? Okay. What is underdeveloped economy? कोई बच्चा अगर जानता है underdeveloped economy means what, they can comment me. Okay. अंडर डेवलपमेंट मीन्स क्या होता है? देखिए, मैं आपको समझाता हूँ अंडर डेवलपमेंट मीन्स क्या होता है. आपको मैं बताता हूँ. लाइक देखिए, एक अमेरिका हला, इंग्लैंड हला, जापान हला. these are the countries. Okay, these are the country that's per capita income is higher. Per capita income is much more higher than the Indian, Bangladesh, तापरे तमर आसुचे इंडिया, बांग्लादेश. ओके, these countries. So these country are called, these country per capita income less than as compared to America, England. Okay, so that we called the America or America, England, Japan, these country are called developed economies. Okay, because why? Because his per capita income is much more higher. Okay, so that we called what? We call developed countries. Okay, or India, Pakistan, Bangladesh are called underdeveloped economy because their per capita income is lower than Okay, their per capita income is low. Some countries like per capita income is high, like America, England, Japan, but other countries like India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, etc. are low per capita income. So that former countries are called developed countries. Former country means America, England, Japan is the former country. These are called the developed economies. And other hand, like Pakistan, Bangladesh, India are called underdeveloped economy because his per capita income is lower than. Okay. Theory of underdeveloped economics. There are two theories explain the why underdeveloped countries fail to achieve the economic development. There are two theories that explain why fail underdeveloped economy to achieve economic development. Okay, why fail? There are two theories are explained. One is theory of vicious circle poverty. Second is low level of equilibrium, low income level of equilibrium. There are two theory. Okay, first theory is theory of vicious circle of poverty. Vicious circle of poverty given by Professor Narke. Who is given by vicious circle of poverty? Professor Narke is given by vicious circle of poverty. This is very important point. You may be remember that, because this question also be asked in examination. Okay, so that according to Professor Narke, a country is poor because it is poor. एक कंट्री पोर होता है क्योंकि ये बिकम इट पोर. सो दैट दिस स्टेटमेंट इज वेरी पॉपुलर स्टेटमेंट. also it is also come in exam, so that this statement also you be remember that. Okay, such economy are afflicted with low income, low saving, low capital and low productivity. All these have a circular relationship. Vicious circle of poverty means that suppose a country low income, suppose a country has low income, low saving, low per capita, low saving, तो low capital, low saving, low capital, low productivity, low productivity is low income. बुझल? Low income, suppose a country has low income, so that low income तो low capital, low saving. Suppose a country has low income, low saving, low capital, low productivity, low income. These are the circular relationship. These circular relationship are called vicious circle of poverty. What do you mean by vicious circle of poverty, or what is vicious circle of poverty? Vicious circle of poverty is a circular relationship. Like income, saving, productivity, capital. Okay, these are the circular relationship, or this circular relationship are called vicious circle of poverty. Okay, I hope clear. Next, the theory of low income level equilibrium. Theory. Second theory, Professor Harvey Lemstein has propounded a theory of low income level equilibrium to explain the obstacles in the way of economic development of underdeveloped countries. एक अंडरडेवलप्ड कंट्री क्यों फेल होता है टू अचीव डेवलपमेंट, उसका क्या ऑब्स्टैकल्स है, उसके बारे में कौन बताता है ना? लो इनकम लेवल इक्विलिब्रियम. वेरियस फैक्टर्स आर अफेक्टेड टू अचीव डेवलपमेंट. ओके, वेरियस फैक्टर आर अफेक्टेड टू अचीव इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट, लाइक पॉपुलेशन प्रेशर है, पॉपुलेशन प्रेशर, लो इनकम और lack of proper industrialization, unequal distribution of income and wealth. These are the various factors, major factors that's the cause of low level of equilibrium or affect, that are the main factors to obstacles of achieve economic development. Obstacles are the achieve economic development. Okay, next, future of Indian economy. What is the future of Indian economy? Stagnant Indian economy has following features, like stagnant economics, low level per capita income, low standard of living, unequal distribution income and wealth, lack of proper industrialization, pressures of population. Stagnant economies, one by one term I can explain. Okay, one is stagnant economic. Stagnant economy means that suppose 1947 to 1998, yeah, 1947 to 1947 to 2000. In this year, during 53 years, over the per capita income is increases. In this year, per capita income increases 0.58%. 0.58% in this year, per capita income increase 0.58%. It means that very less than increase, 1% less than increases over the period of time. So called, this is are called stagnant economy. Stagnant means stable economy. Stagnant means stable. There is little change in the per capita income. These are called stagnant economy. Okay, so that per capita income is little bit change over the period of time. So these are called what? Stagnant per capita income. These are called stagnant per capita income. I hope clear. Okay, next term, low per capita income. Low level per capita income, people's low per capita income. Okay, population pressure, I hope population is much more, but most of the people are unemployed, so that per capita income also low. Standard of living low, because low per capita income low, so people have no income, they cannot buy foods, so that his nutrition weak nutrition, so that he has standard of living also low, because various disease also he can affected. Okay, so that here income low, so here standard of living also low. Unequal distribution of income and wealth. You sure most of the peoples have richer than rich person also rich, and poor person also poor, because 90% income and wealth are held in rich person. 90% wealth and income and wealth held in rich person, and 10% wealth and income held in most of the peoples have. 90% wealth and income held in only 5% population, and 10% income and wealth has in 95% population. 95% population has 10% income and wealth, and 90% income and wealth has only 5% rich people have. So this is unequal distribution. This unequal distribution income and wealth also cause of future of Indian economy. These are the factors to affect or obstacles to achieve economic development. Okay, next, lack of proper industrialization, pressure of population. Okay, Indian economy is a mixed economy. Indian economy also called mixed economy. Indian economy also called mixed economy. Why Indian economy is mixed? Because Indian economy is mixed economy. In this economy, both public plus private sector, both sector are play active role. Okay, in this economy, both public sector and private sector are play active role, so that it is called a mixed economy. Both sector are mixed. Okay, According to Lord Keynes, mixed economy is one that has both capitalism and socialism. In this kind of economy, both public and private sector takes active part in the economics in development of country. Okay. Public sector. According to Industrial Policy 1991, according to it means that इंडस्ट्रियल पॉलिसी 1991 के तहत नंबर ऑफ इंडस्ट्री रिजर्व पब्लिक सेक्टर number of industry reserved for public sector is only two industry reserved for public sector. One is atomic energy, second is railway. These two sectors are reserved for only public sector. Remaining sectors are called private sector. Remaining sectors are come under the private sectors. All other industries are now open for private sector. Private sector except to these industries reserved for the public sector, all other industries are open and for private sector. Okay, these only two industries are reserved for public sector and remaining industries are reserved for private sector. Okay, I hope clear. In this lectures I will in this lecture we are completed two nature of Indian economies. One is underdeveloped economies, second is mixed economics. Two nature are completed in this lecture. Next lecture we will discuss about economy is a planet developing, dualistic economics and sectoral distribution. These three are remaining in the next lecture. Okay, I hope clear. So in this lecture you're helpful, then you can like, subscribe and your comment also mention in this videos, that in this video comment box. Okay, so that I am motivated to motivate your comments, and I will make another lectures. Okay, bye bye.